If you can, please download or print out the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. To solve these simultaneous equations by using substitution method, the first step is we either make x as a subject or y as a subject. In this case, I just make x as a subject. In another word, I just move this negative y over this side, becomes positive. That is, x is equal to 3 plus y. So let's name this equation number 1. And this one here, equation number 2. So now, 3x plus y equal 13. This x here, now it becomes 3 plus y. I just write substitute or subbed equation number 1 into equation number 2. So that is 3x plus y equal 13. So 3x. Now x is 3 plus y. And then we add y is equal to 13. Now I'll just expand the bracket first. So 3 times 3 is 9. And then 3 times y is 3y. And then we add this y down, which equal to 13. Now I just move this 9 here on this side. So on the left hand side, we leave with 3y plus y. So 3y plus y is 4y. And 13, I write this down first. The 9 move on that side becomes minus 9. And then 4y is equal to 13 minus 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Add 3 is 4. Otherwise, just use your calculator. Then I divide this by 4. And I divide this by 4. That cancel out. So therefore, y is equal to 1. So when y equal 1, we can substitute y into this equation here. That is equation number 1 to solve for x. So I just write substitute y is equal to 1 into equation number 1. So that is x is equal to 3 plus y, which is 3 plus 1. So which is equal to 4. So therefore, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. Or you can write in point form. So that is x and y. So you can write 4, 1 if you want to write in coordinate form or point form. Okay? Let's move on second one. So we have to make x as a subject or y as a subject. So in this case, I just want to make x as a subject. So I just move this 2y on this side. So that implied x is equal to 13. Now the positive 2y, I move on to right hand side, becomes minus 2y. There you go. I named this equation number 1. And this one here is number 2. Now this x here becomes 13 minus 2y. So I just write substitute equation number 1 into equation number 2. So in another word, 3x minus 4y, it becomes 3. Instead of x is 13 minus 2y, because x is equal to 13 minus 2y. And minus y down, that is equal to 4. Then I just remove the bracket first. So 13 times 3, or 3 times 13, is equal to 39. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, but 6y. And the minus y, I just write this down. And this is 4. So now I just collect like term, but before that, the 39, I move on this side, becomes minus. Then on the right hand side, we collect like term, this one here, minus 6y minus y. Just like minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7. Otherwise, you can just use your calculator. So negative 6 minus 1 equal negative 7 or minus 7. So that is negative 7y is equal to 4. Now 39 moved to the right hand side becomes minus 39. Then negative 7y, 4 minus 39 is minus or negative, if you like, 35. Then to get rid of the negative 7, so I divide by minus 7, divide by negative 7. So therefore, y is equal to, so negative divide negative positive, so 7 times 5 give me 35. So in another word, 35 divided by 7 is 5. Otherwise, you can just use your calculator. When y is equal to 5, so what I do, I substitute the y equal to 5 into this equation here, that is equation number 1, to solve for x. So therefore, I just write this down, substitute y equal to 5 into equation number 1. So x equals 13 minus 2y, it's become x is equal to 13 minus 2 lots of y, but y is equal to 5. So we just replace y with 5. So that is 13 minus 2 times 5 is 10. So 13 minus 10 is 3. So therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. First one. Now to solve this equation, first of all, I move the 2y onto this side first so that I can make x as a subject. So I just write this down. X is equal to 9 minus 2y. Let's name the first one is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. So equation number 1 is 2x plus 3y equals 16. Now this 2x here becomes 9 minus 2y. Now we just substitute equation number 2 into equation number 1. So I just write this down. So substitute equation number 2 into equation number 1. So that is 2x, but x is 9 minus 2y plus 3y is equal to 16. Now I just remove the bracket. So 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4y plus 3y is equal to 16. Now I just move this 18 on this side and we leave with minus 4y plus 3y. So I just write this down first. So on the left become minus 4y plus 3y is equal to 16 minus 18. Because the positive 18 move over becomes negative 18. Then we're just collecting like term. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So that is minus 1y or negative y. So we just write negative y down is equal to 16 minus 18 is negative 2. Otherwise, you can just use your calculator. So negative y is equal to negative 2. So therefore, y must equal to 2. So since y is equal to 2, to find x, we can substitute y equal to 2 into this equation here to find x. So that is, we substitute y is equal to 2 into equation number 2. So x is equal to 9 minus 2y, but y is 2, so we just substitute 2 in there. So that becomes 9 minus 4. So that is 5. So therefore, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. Last one. So we need to make x as a subject first. So I just move this negative 2y onto this side. So this will give me x is equal to 2 plus 2y. Let's name the first equation is equation number 1, and the second equation is equation number 2. So we can substitute equation number 2 into equation number 1. So in another word, 2x, it becomes 2 times 2 plus 2y. So substitute equation number 2 into equation number 1. So 2x means 2 lots of 2 plus 2y, and we minus 7y is equal to 1. So we remove the bracket, so 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2y is 4y. And then minus 7y, which is write this down, and then 1, which is write 1 down. So the 4, we can move this 4 here onto this right hand side, so it becomes 1 minus 4. And on the left hand side here, which is 4y minus 7y, which give me minus 3y if you like. Otherwise, we just write this down first. So 4y minus 7y is equal to 1 minus 4. Now 4 minus 7 is minus 3. Otherwise, you can just put in a calculator 4 minus 7. There you go, minus 3. So we write negative 3y. Minus 3y is equal to 1 minus 4 is minus 3. And then to solve for this, we divide this by negative 3. Divide on the right by minus 3 as well. So that cancel out. So therefore, y is equal to 1. So when y equal to 1, so we can substitute into this equation here, which is equation number 2, to solve for x. So therefore, we can say substitute y equal to 1 into equation number 2. So that is x is equal to 2 plus 2 lots of 1, or 2 times 1 if you like. So 2 plus 2 times 1 is 2, so that is equal to 4. So therefore, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. Thank you so much for watching.